Okay, everybody, hello and welcome. My name is PG Mac, and I'm going to be showing you in the next 60 days how to get more value from your digital marketing goals. I hope that you're getting a lot of value out of them. And remember to click the subscribe button below if you would like to get notified in your inbox each day whenever a new video gets released. Okay, so without further ado then, let's get started. So welcome back, everybody. We are now into week 3, which is the letter C of iCanDOur. As you remember, the first week we went through the letter R, always begin with the end in mind. And what we try to do is we try to map out the digital journey with the outcomes, the transformational benefits at the end. So this is the beginning of week C, of week 3 rather, week 3, not week C. And what we're doing in this week is we're discussing the letter C. And we're beginning then with the letter for clarity. Clarity. Now, why is clarity so important? Well, let me tell you. There, you see, clarity is all about your message, your life lessons, and your story. In other words, what some of you business coaches out there call the hero's journey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I've constructed my story, my life lessons, my message. Because even if you're an identical twin, what you will find is that your messages are completely different. The life lessons that you have experienced are completely different, okay? And the journey that you have ultimately been on has been an individual journey. Because you see, I believe that it all boils down to one thing, and this is all about telling a story, but telling an interesting story that invites your prospects, that invites your customers in the right way so that you become magnetically attractive to the customers that you want to attract. In other words, your ideal customers, and you become repellent, like a bad smell, to the ones that you don't. So I'm just back now from Texas, Austin, Texas, in the United States. I was at the conference, South by Southwest. So I had a lovely, lovely time meeting a lot of very, very, very nice groups of business coaches, executive coaches, leadership coaches, and a lot of other people besides. And I want to really, let's get started with this week, and let's really, really show you how to get in touch with your story. Hello, everybody, and thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the 3 types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on 3 things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number 2, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the 3rd thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back, one conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the one condition. You have to do the work. And also, here's the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.